Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Kids, today we're writing numbers and alphabets. First we're writing the alphabet of A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. Kids, the next one is R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and the last one is Z. The next one is numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the last one is 10. Now we're writing alphabets and numbers. First we're opening the color of forest green color. Kids, the next one is pale pink color, yellow color, cool gray color, light violet color, pale blue light color, yellow green color, vivid purple color, mint blue color, emerald green color, Persian blue color, and the last one is cream color.